It's the second day of National Online Workshop on Good Health for Better Living. So, again, welcome to all the participants and the today's resource person. All of you know the basic thing is for the healthier life, many people wish to live a good healthy life and life to be 100 years old. That is the general people wish to live. The only problem is that they don't want to do the work that comes with living a long life. Hearing the words diet and exercise almost scares them away from the thought of being a healthy individual. So, in this 2 day discussion, we have learned something, and all of you know almost 30% of adults are considered to be overweight due to unhealthy hygienic food. Many of them are risk of many diseases that come with due to overweight. Preventing some of those diseases is as simple as changing what and how they eat. Although being obese is normally caused from eating properly, you can also be at an ideal weight but still not eat right food or get right nutrients to your body. So for healthy living and better living, healthy food is essential. That is demands of the day. As per different statements, you know, eating food is a healthier option than processed food. Choosing food you should eat more are very important. We are not serious about our food, but we are getting delicious food. Just to take an example in the reception, how much you are consuming in a reception. So that point of view, that is good health for better living. Today is the second day. We have the good resource person. They will give some information. We have the panel discussion. Experts from different fields relates to nutrition and also the plant science and the animal science. The experts are there. They will give the correct explanation as per your query about the different questions. Today in first is Dr. Anjali Pathak. She will give the nice talk in front of you. You know the Anjali Pathak is currently holding the position of director at NutriPulse Jaipur. She is a renowned senior clinical nutritionist having more than 24 years experience in the field of nutrition and diet. She was former head of nutrition department in Fortis Escort Hospital Jaipur and Kokon Hospital Jaipur. Dr. Pathak has completed her PhD under the topic Use of Lifestyle Modification for Secondary Prevention of Coronary Events. So you will learn so many things and you can ask number of questions as per your query about this topic. Along with that, completed post-graduation in foods and nutrition with PG diploma in dietetics and therapeutic nutrition in Bhopal. And she is a yoga and wellness expert and writes health and wellness blog for various newspapers and websites including Times of India, Dainik Bhaskar, etc. etc. In addition to that, Dr. Pathak, she has been invited as the guest speaker at the radio channel, that is All India Radio, Radio Mirchi, FM Tadka, etc. Dr. Pathak been part of various health debates and group discussion on national television. Over and above, she has been awarded many times by renowned organizations on different events. Dr. Pathak has received a distinguished award of Precious Daughter of India by the National Health Mission of State and a special 26th award by the Rajasthan Patrika Group on 26th January. Additionally, Dr. Pathak was one of the jury panelists in CBSE Regional Science Exhibition by SB Public School and was awarded by Rajasthan Patrika for O Women League. Recently, she was adjunct a chairperson and speaker for the national level webinar for APC Online Convention 2020. She has touched many lives by transforming their physical and mental body. She organizes yoga camp on International Yoga Day every year, in which thousands of people get benefited free yoga and nutrition counseling in free of cost. So yoga, meditation, concentration, proper diet is highly essential to be healthy. So in this juncture and national online workshop in association with Sakyam Society, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Nursing Chaudhary Autonomous College, Jashpur, other group of institution, Rajasthan. I again heartily welcome to all the members of different corners of India, as well as the resource person of first session, that is Dr. Paithak. I hope she will give some concrete knowledge for the benefit of the participants. Now I request Dr. Pathak to proceed about your speech for the